Today I'm doing a bar/kitchen island using budget products from Ikea. I'm Man, this is Mars, and if you follow us on Instagram, you know that I visited my dear friend Kate in Belgium and she had this beautiful bar in her kitchen. And I want to do the same thing in my kitchen. I've just never had a bar and I feel like it's the perfect place to have a cup of coffee, have a lunch, or even use it as a workstation from time to time. So let me show you the plan. I want to do the bar right over here in this empty space between the kitchen and this Ikea cabinets. The plan is actually that the bar would lay on the window board on one side and on the other side it would have one leg. Simple and budget. After taking the measurements, it's now time to get to work. I was first searching for a tabletop at Ikea. They honestly have some pretty good tops. However, I wanted the bar to be arched on one side, so I decided to go for a wood top so that I can shape it myself. I got this wood board from my local hardware store and it was $60 for a 150 centimeters length and 60 centimeters width, which is absolutely amazing. And now we're bringing our vision to life and it looks gorgeous. Now let me show you the leg I got from Ikea. This leg was only $15 and it's such a nice product since it extends to whatever height you need it, which is absolutely genius. After seeing how everything's looking, it's now time to draw the arch. So I'm just finding the center and I'm measuring 30 centimeters in. From here, I'm doing the arch with a piece of yarn attached to a pencil. Easy peasy. And now it's time to cut the arch. So let's move outside. I'm cutting the arch using a jigsaw and then I'm sanding the whole piece using an electric sander. And to finish it all off, I'm going in with an even smaller grid to make the smoothest surface. After dusting everything off, it's now time to stain the board. I'm actually using the same stain I used for the coffee station. However, this time I used the pigment to darken the board a little bit more so it matches my kitchen top better. Let me just say that I'm so happy with how the board turned out. From the shape to the color, I love everything. Now all that's left to do is just install it. After adjusting the height to make it flat, it's time to attach the leg. I'm marking where the leg would go and I'm attaching it using screws. And now let's finally attach the board to the other side. To do that, I'm using this strong construction glue to attach the tabletop to the window board. In the end, I added these dumbbells to keep it in place until it dries out completely. Now it's the next day and finally our bar is ready to use. So let's bring in our chairs. I got these bar stools from Ikea and it's now time to install them and finish everything. So let's do it. You can see by the look of my face how much I loved how everything turned out. And now all that is left to do is just bring in our decor and style it. First, I'm bringing in these candle holders I got from Ikea. These are so simple yet look so gorgeous. I'm also rearranging my plants on top of these cabinets. And I'm adding this beautiful painting we got from our niece, Lena. Lena is so talented. She's only 11 years old, yet got her first art exhibition last week. And she made this art piece especially for us, so I thought it would look great here. And lastly, I'm placing Marcy's bowls right here where they belong. This bowl holder is a DIY from my dad, and we recently upgraded his bowls to ceramic ones, and I love them so much. Now, are you ready to see how the bar turned out? Let's go! Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. Let me know if you like my kitchen bar makeover in the comment section below and if you do anything differently. Also, make sure to check out my kitchen makeover video and my latest IKEA coffee station makeover. You're going to love them, I promise. Many exciting projects are coming up and a whole lot of IKEA content, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel to never miss another video again. Thank you again for watching, and as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Who's a sleepy boy? Who's always a sleepy boy? It's you, mister. I love you. Say bye.